Hello friends! Today let's practice writing both uppercase and lowercase alphabets. Uppercase means capital alphabets and lowercase is small alphabet.
Okay, let's get started. Let's write capital letter A and small letter a first. Let's practice writing a capital B and small b together. Take your time and follow along with me. Let's write capital C and small c together. Let's practice writing a capital D and small d together. Let's write capital E and small e together. Take your time and follow me.
Good job, kids! Let's write capital F and small f now. Now let's practice writing capital G and small g. Let's write capital H and small h now. Time to write capital I and small I. Let's write together. Let's write capital J and small j. It's simple, isn't it? Now what comes next? Yes, letter K. Let's write K in caps and small. Follow me as we write L together. Let's write M now. First capital and then small Good going, friends. Let's write N now. First capital N and then small n. Okay, next is capital O and small, which is very simple. Let's write P now. Follow me as we write P together. Q is our next alphabet. Let's write Q in uppercase first and then in lowercase after that. R comes after Q. Let's write R now. Let's write S together. Time to write T. First capital T and then small t.
Let's write U now. Next is capital and small v. Let's write W now. Follow me as write W. Next comes X. Let's write X in capital and small letters. Let's write Y now. Time to write Z, first capital Z, and then small z.
Friends hope this was easy. Remember, we need continuous practice, so kids do take time to practice. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.